In the end, you know, she performs oral sex on him, so he's satisfied and she's not. That's when the movie for me became, this is happening to a pastor and a first lady, but this is about marriage and how way in which we view and hold marriage in a patriarchal way is detrimental to us, and not just to the souls and spirits of women, but like it's literally spiritually killing us. So many women who are in marriages that are sexless and unsatisfying, but have wrapped their identities around their partner that they can't extrapolate themselves. And it's very easy to do.